Hello friends, welcome to my class. This is our fourth class of Turkish A1 Level course from book Yedi, iklim. In this class, we will learn the exercise of this chapter. We have learned this chapter in the previous videos. You can find these videos in the description of this video. So, we have değerlendirme. Değerlendirme means evaluation myself. For example, how much I learned this chapter. We have first one is yanlışı bulalım. Yanlışı bulalım. Let's find bulalım. Let's find the wrong. The mistake. Yanlışı. Let's find the mistake. We have first one merhaba. Merhaba. Hello. And the answer is hello. This is not a mistake. Nasılsınız? How are you? Teşekkür ederim. İyiyim. Thank you. I am fine. Siz nasılsınız? How are you? Teşekkür ederim. Thank you. Ben de iyiyim. I'm also fine. Benim adım Mustafa. My name is Mustafa. Ben de memnun oldum. I'm also pleased to meet with you. So this one is wrong because it is not the answer of this one. Now we have hangisi doğru? Which one is correct? İşaretleyelim. Let's mark. Nerelisiniz is the question, like where are you from? So how we answer where are you from? Ürdün'de, in the Ürdün, Türkiye'ye, to the Turkey, Kazakistanlıyım. I'm from Kazakhstan. Bosna Herzegovina, from Bosna Herzegovina. So C1 is the correct because it is the way to answer the question nerelisiniz. Now we have hangi sıralama doğru değildir? Which order? Sıralama means order. Which order is not correct? Doğru değildir means not correct. Which order of alphabets is not correct? So you know the alphabets in Turkish. If you do not know, you can find the alphabets in the on page number 13 of this book. A1 is A, B, J, Ç, D. This one is correct. E, F, G, yumuşak G, H. Correct. Y, K, L, M, N. Correct. O, E. This one is wrong because this O will have to this one. This will came first. O, E, P, R, S. So this is the wrong. This is not correct. Hangi sıralama doğru değildir? This one also like this. A, B, C, Ç, correct. K, P, R, S. K, after K we have L. L. So this one is wrong. K, L, P, R, S. J, K, L, M, D, E, F, G. These are all correct except this. Now we have fifth one. Hangi eşleştirme doğrudur? Which matching? Eşleştirme means matching. Which matching is correct? First one is elma means apple. Karpuz means watermelon. Muz means banana. Çilek means strawberry. So first one elma is the correct one. Elma. Now we have sixth one. Görsele göre doğru sözü bulalım. Let's find the correct word according to the condition. Like 6 a.m. or p.m. you can say. First one is günaydın, good morning. İyi geceler, good night. Have a good night. Nasılsınız? How are you? İyi akşamlar, good evening. So günaydın will be correct. Günaydın, good morning. Örnekteki gibi yazalım. Let's write according to conditions. That is in the example, according to example. So we have kalem. We have to make plural by adding lar or ler. Kalem, pen, one pen. Kalemler, pens. So how we add ler? Because the last vowel is a, so we add ler to it. Kalemler. Sandalye, chair. Last vowel is a, so we will add sandalye, lad. Çanta, bag. Çantalar, Çantalar. How we add lar here? Because the last vowel is a. And gözlük, glasses. Gözlükler, because the last vowel is ü. Gözlükler, glasses. Farklıyı bulalım. Let's find the difference. So when we make a country to a language, we add ja, je, che, cha, che. So Türkçe is a language, Turkish language. İngilizce is an English language. Almanca, German language. Fransa is a country name. So this one is different from the other three one. Cevabı bulalım. Let's find the answer. Bu kim? Who is this? Kim used for living things. So we have to find living things here. Bu defter. This is notebook. No. Bu silgi. This is eraser. No. Bu kitab. This is book. No. Bu Ali. This is Ali. Ali is the correct one. Cevabı bulalım. Let's find the answer. Bu ne? What is this? Ne used for non-living things. Bu ozge. No. Bu masa. This is table. Bu Ali. This is Ali. Bu Yeliz. This is Yeliz. So bu masa is the correct one. Now we have kendime değerlendiriyorum. I'm evolving myself. How I am evolving myself. Like how much able I got after learning this chapter. So we have sesleri ve kelimeleri doğru telaffuz edebilirim. I can pronounce correctly. What correctly? The words kelimeleri and sesleri means the sounds. I can pronounce sounds and words correctly. If you can do it correctly, you can write or you can check this one. If you can do or in the middle situation, you can check this one. And if you do not know how to pronounce the words and the sound, you can check this one according to this. Kendimi ve başkalarını tanıtabilirim. Tanıtmak means to introduce. Kendimi, myself, ve başkalarını and others. I can introduce myself and others. Third one is insanlarla tanışabilirim. Tanışabilirim means I can meet with the people. İnsanlarla tanışabilirim. I can meet with the people. So if you can meet, you can check this one. Meet like to ask question to them and answer to them. Like how are you? I am fine. What is your name? What is my name? Like this. Sayıları anlayabilirim. I can understand. Anlayabilirim means anlamak means to understand. Anlayabilirim. I can understand. Sayıları. I can understand the numbers. I can understand the numbers. Basit set kayıtlarını anlayabilirim. I can understand. What I can understand? I can understand simple sound recordings. Kayıtlarını means recordings. I can understand simple recordings. Next one is basit ses konuşmaları anlayabilirim. I can understand. Anlayabilirim. What I can understand? I can understand simple spoken conversations. Konuşmaları means conversations. I can understand simple conversations. Next one is kişilerin durumunu sorabilirim. Sorabilirim means I can ask. What I can ask about? Kişilerin durumunu. The condition of the people. I can ask about the condition of the people. Our next one is sıra belirten ifadeleri konuşmalarımda kullanabilirim. Kullanabilirim means I can use konuşmalarımda in my speech. I can use in my speech. İfadeleri, expressions. What are the expressions? What type of expressions? That sıra belirten ifadeleri. The expression that order, that indicate order, in my speech. I can use the expression that indicate order in my speech. Metinlerle ilgili. When we add le ilgili to some word, it meaning as about this word. Metinlerle, like about text. Sorulara to the question about text cevaplar verebilirim. I can answer to the question about text. So if you can answer, you can check this, if not this. So basit sözcükler ve cümlelerle metin yazabilirim. I can write text. Metin means text with simple words and sentences. Ses kayıtlarını ve metinlerini görsellerle eşleştirebilirim. I can match. Eşleştirebilirim. I can match ses kayıtlarını ve metin görsellerle. I can match audio recordings and the text pictures. I can match audio recordings and text pictures. Our last one is cümle kalıplarını doğru kullanabilirim. Cümle means sentences. Doğru kullanabilirim. I can use correctly. Kalıplarını, the sentence pattern. I can write the sentence pattern correctly. For example, first one is merhaba, second one also merhaba, third one is benim adım, and fourth one also benim adım. So this one is the pattern of sentences. You can use. If you can use, you can check. If not, check this one. So this was our class.